All right, to continue with what we're doing, now I went and took my little moto tool and I drilled me a little hole and I got me a little 1/8 inch dowel. Okay? Now first of all, the dowel is going to fit in his little hand just like that, okay? But if you look at it, then this ear is in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down that ear so that the little stick will fit. Let me show you. I'm going to take this ear here and I'm just going to slowly cut down by flipping this like that. Then when I put this in, now look, see? Then when I do that, then it fits closer to the ear just like that. Excuse me, I got some people talking, I'm sorry. Okay, so you see now where it kind of sticks out and you can sort of do the little thing here. Okay, now let's put this down for a minute. And all I did was go cut me just a little block just like this, and I'm gonna make a little knapsack out of that. Now how you do that is this little block is probably 1.25 inches by inch and a, well, let me see if I've got my, yeah, I have it. Okay, what we've got here is 1.25 inches by about 1.25 inches. That's what it is. And what I'm going to do with this little thing is I'm going to round it by coming on all sides of it. Make sure that your grain's running down this way so you don't go cross grains with it. And I'm going to bring it down to make a little knapsack out of it. And you just slowly start bringing it down on both sides of it. Okay, and this is going to be the bottom of the knapsack, and it's going to be rounded off because we want it to be that way. And we just keep kind of cutting and taking off a little bit at a time on all 4 sides. Now on the top of the knapsack, this is going to come down quite a bit. We're going to take our knife and we're just going to flip it on all 4 sides like this. Just start flipping it on all 4 sides. And sort of bring it up to a point in here where it's thinner at the top, because I'm going to show you what we're going to do. And then kind of just sort of get it. See how we're doing it? Just sort of see how it looks now? Now, we're going to come up even a little bit more on all sides of this. And then we're going to come in on this side here, a little bit below, and I'm going to cut a notch in there. Okay? I'm going to cut another notch in there. Just like that. Now from the side, you see how that looks? Now we're gonna start bringing this even I mean, even coming forward with this a little bit, in other words, where it looks like, see, the actual stick is going to fit into it like this, in other words, where it's a notch. See, we're just sort of, now I'm just gonna make this a little bit thinner in here so that it fits in the hand real good. But it fits in the hand just like this, okay? And we want it to sort of come against the, I'm gonna bring that ear down just a little bit more. I'm gonna cut some more in that ear so that we can get, okay? And it'd be just like the, okay, just like that, see? Where the thing fits just like that. Now, of course, this is way too long. I'm going to drill a hole. Now, you see the little knapsack? I'm going to drill a hole through here at an angle in this knapsack, and this is going to fit up through here, and then this is going to fit inside the hand like that, in other words. Okay? And I will, or the paw, as we say on the dog, yeah, it'll be the paw rather than the hand. And this will be the way we do it, okay? All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to drill the hole and then I'll get it all set up and then I'll show you, okay? All right.